Hi and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to talk about cyber-physical systems or CPS. So what's cyber-physical systems? Cyber-physical systems are systems which link the physical world with the digital world using sensors and controllers. It's also the integration of computing power, networking and physical processors working together in harmony to create a digital representation of a physical process or entity. So, what's the main purpose of a cyber-physical system? The main purpose of a cyber-physical system is to control a physical process through continuous feedback, self-adapt and self-optimize itself in real time. Also, cyber-physical system has become a key infrastructure in smart manufacturing in the Industry 4.0. So in our next few lectures, we're going to talk about the few advantages of cyber-physical system in smart manufacturing. I'll see you there.